Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Kanikama Sushi Nigiri. So these are the things that you need in order to make it. Chopping board, gloves, mayo, sushi rice, knife, nigiri molder, kanikama, seaweed sheets. So let's start. Grab a piece of a sheet, place it on top of the chopping board. Now we're gonna cut it unevenly. Then we're going to use the larger pot. Then cut 1/2 inch, as many as you want. Grab your molder. Grab some oil and wipe the insides of the molder so that later on when we pull out the rice, it would be easier for us. Don't forget to wipe the insides of the lid molder as well. Now that we're done wiping it with oil, start grabbing some rice and put it inside. Don't mind me leaving some gaps because I only wanted to make 3 kanikama nigiri. Now start pushing with the pressure. Now start pulling them out one by one. Grab a piece of kanikama. Then cut it into 3 parts. Now start by placing it on top of the rice. Grab one sheet, start wrapping it around the rice and the kanikama, just like that. And you're done. So just repeat everything that we did earlier. Last but not the least, don't forget to add mayo. And there you have it, you're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sushi videos.